This video shows how to install IBM Mobilefirst Platform Server and Application Center. You use Mobilefirst Server to manage the IBM Maximo Anywhere apps and communicate with your mobile devices. Log in to the Maximo Anywhere Server console as administrator. You install Mobilefirst Server and Application Center by using the same media that you used to install the Maximo Anywhere version 763 required components. Create a directory on the new Mobilefirst server for this media. For example, see Downloads Maximo Anywhere 763 Media. Right-click on the Max Anywhere 763 file and select Extract. The files extract. When the files extract, right-click on the Max Any 763 Mobilefirst 71 file and select Extract Here. The files extract and create a directory structure. When the files extract, right-click on Launchpad 64 and then select Run as Administrator. The IBM Maximo Anywhere version 763 Launchpad opens. Select Install or Update IBM Mobilefirst Server and click Install. Ensure that IBM Mobilefirst Platform Server and version 710 are selected and click Next. The Licenses screen opens. Select I accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. On the Install Packages screen, choose the installation directory location. Click Next. The Activate Token Licensing screen opens. Select Do Not Activate Token Licensing with a Rational License Key Server and click Next. Click Next again. The Choose Your Database Type screen opens. Select Use a pre-installed database server and Oracle Enterprise Edition 12c and click Next. The Database Server Properties screen opens. Select Connect using a generic Oracle JDBC URL. Click Browse. And browse to the JDBC driver download that matches your database. Click Next. The Database Driver Additional Properties screen opens. Enter the database JDBC URL and the username and password. A database exists message opens because the WL admin and the user app center already exist. Click Next. The Create Database screen opens. Click Next. The Application Server Type screen opens. Select WebSphere Application Server and click Next. The Application Server Configuration screen opens. For the installation directory, click the down arrow and select the directory that you specified on the Install Packages screen. Ensure that the profile is set to Liberty. Select your server, click Next. The Multiple Users screen opens. Select an installation mode of multiple users and an operating system user group of administrators. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Install to install the Mobilefirst Platform Server. A progress screen opens. This might take a few minutes as Installation Manager installs and configures Mobilefirst Server. Click Finish when the package is created.